Hi, I'm Miles. I'm here at Terry Homes. I'm our warranty manager and our starts and closings coordinator. And I'm actually going to walk you through a condensed version of our home orientation. Well, come on. Well, welcome to your new home. As we go through the home orientation, I'm going to talk about the humidity in your home. Now, humidity comes from the natural products inside your home, such as the wood that builds your walls and your flooring. Now, as that dries out, your home's going to want to settle and move around, causing maybe a crack here or there along a ceiling seam or on a wall. That's why we have our warranty periods. Don't have to fret there. We have our 1 year and our 60-day warranty periods where we love to come through and take care of issues that you have in your home. We ask that you submit those requests through CoConstruct so that I, the warranty manager, can get on and help get them taken care of for you. When we go through the home orientation, we offer helpful tips to help you make sure that you can prolong the life of your concrete and flatwood. One of the more important things on a home that not a lot of people notice is actually the caulking. Caulking provides a vapor barrier and is a protectant for both your walls and your subfloor. It is a regular homeowner maintenance to go through and do the caulking in your home. Currently, your home is caulked everywhere along your trims, your backsplashes, around your sinks, and your cabinets. Speaking towards electrical in your house, new coding requirements have changed how electrical outlets. If you used to see a lot of GFIs around in homes, especially in high watered areas, you won't see those anymore, and that's because they're actually put into our electrical panel. During your home orientation, we're actually going to come down and explore your crawl space. At this point in time, I'm going to talk to you about our furnaces and also locate your main water shutoff valve. So during our home orientation, I'd like to walk the exterior of your home with you, where we go over the exterior warranties that we have. We have a warranty on the paint for your exterior of your house, on the siding, and then also for the roofing. I'm Miles. Thanks for following along with our condensed version of our home orientation. I'd love to walk you through a full version prior to your closing.